In this example, we're going to look at several relations represented as graphs, and we'll be using the vertical line test to see whether the relations are functions or not. To use the vertical line test, you're going to imagine a vertical line passing over the function. If that vertical line hits at most one point, then it will be a function. But if that vertical line intersects more than one point, the relation is not a function. Let's test the first graph. We'll run our vertical line over the graph, and at any given point, it only touches one point of the relation at a time, meaning this relation is a function. It passes the vertical line test. Let's try the next relation. As it passes over the graph, we see that there are multiple points where the line intersects more than one point. For this particular relation, there are 3 points which disqualify this relation from being a function. So this relation is not a function because it fails the vertical line test. Let's look at a few more. Here we have another relation represented on a graph. We'll use the vertical line test. And we see that at any given point that it passes over this relation, it only intersects one point at a time, meaning this relation is a function. It passes the vertical line test. And finally, let's look at our last relation. We use our vertical line test, and we see that there are multiple places along the graph where the vertical line intersects more than one point. This means this relation is not a function because it fails the vertical line test. It intersects at 2 or more